This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Rubenstein. Who would think you could find a 4-bedroom beautiful higher-end remodeled and updated home with a new shingled roof, installed October 2020, on an 1/3 acre corner lot with an oversized pool, 30x15/7.5 on deep end, with newly installed energy-efficient 115,000 BTUs Gulfstream TM pool heater, Lanai cage with new vinyl fencing and freshly painted in an established neighborhood located in a centralized location in Port Charlotte where new homes are being built and existing homes are being remodeled well under $300 million. This spacious but easily maintained home with 4-year-old air conditioner and 3-year-old hot water heater welcomes you from its front door directly from the partial circular driveway with an immediate view to the private fenced backyard with oversized pool and boasts 3 entry points from the interior of your home to what you will certainly call your private oasis. Full kitchen and bath remodel includes what you would expect in a home at much higher prices. All elements have been selected with an eye for design and function, pleasing cool-toned neutral porcelain plank flooring, upgraded stainless steel appliances, raised wood cabinetry, beautiful granite countertops, kitchen center island, glass backsplash, with plenty of storage and workspace in the kitchen and decorative tiled bath and shower with granite vanities are only further proof of the care and pride in the manner that the owners executed their vision. From the oversized great room with recessed lighting and art display cutouts which can easily accommodate your cushy sectional and your additional decorative touches to the 4 bedrooms with installed ceiling fans that can accommodate a growing family, entertain occasional house guests or simply a home office, or 2, you really cannot get much better than this. Detailed list of upgrades available upon request. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Rubenstein at 941-268-8918.